The United States of America is one of the most powerful nations on Earth today. But its story began long before it became a country.
How many measures of corn for this pot?
I will give you 2 measures.
For thousands of years, the land was home to diverse Native American civilizations, from the mound-building Mississippians to the cliff-dwelling.
This belt represents the words spoken here today. We must listen with clear minds and honest hearts.
Pueblo peoples, to the Iroquois Confederacy with its early democratic ideas. North America was full of thriving cultures long before Europeans arrived. In 1492, Christopher Columbus sailed west in search of Asia and reached the Caribbean instead. His voyages opened the door for European exploration, but also unleashed disease and conflict that devastated native populations. Spanish, French, Dutch, and English explorers rushed to claim land. The Spanish spread through the south. The French built a fur trade empire in the north. The Dutch founded New Amsterdam.
This beautiful harbor will be our point of entry. Show yourselves, friends.
And in 1607, the English established Jamestown, the first permanent English colony. Over time, the English colonies grew in number and wealth, but British taxes and strict control sparked anger. Protests erupted, the Boston Massacre, the Boston Tea Party, and finally in 1775, the first shots of the American Revolution were fired. In 1776, the colonies declared.
These furs are top quality, 100 guilders. 80 is my final offer for the lot. We can settle at 90, signed today.
Secure that beam. We haven't all day.
Independence.
There's barely enough
After
meal
years
left
of
tomorrow,
fighting,
Thomas.
American and French forces defeated Britain at Yorktown. In 1783, the new United States of America was recognized, but the young nation immediately began to push west. The Louisiana Purchase doubled its size. New states formed. Conflicts grew with native tribes and neighboring Mexico. War with Mexico brought California in the southwest, and the U.S. soon stretched from the Atlantic to the Pacific. However, expansion brought a national crisis: slavery. The North opposed it. The South depended on it. In 1861, Civil War erupted, the deadliest conflict in American history. The Union prevailed, slavery ended, and the nation was reunited.
We will not be governed by fear.
In the decades that followed, the U.S. expanded its influence overseas, fought Spain, built the Panama Canal, and entered World War I, emerging as a global power. The 20th century brought triumph and tragedy. The Great Depression, World War II, the Civil Rights Movement, the Cold War, and incredible technological achievements, including landing a man on the moon. On September 11, 2001, the nation faced a new era of global challenges. Today, the United States remains a country shaped by immigrants, ideas, conflict, and innovation, a nation still writing its story.